So something I wanted to talk about today is basically getting the algorithm on eBay to like you and to pump your listings out when you're not actually putting in new stock. Something that I've been doing recently is going through and finding all of my old listings, deleting them, and then going sell similar. It'd be a brand new listing, fresh new listing, but it's of inventory that you already have. I've been doing this sort of on and off, and I've noticed almost 100% of the time, as soon as I do a couple of cancels and then sell similar, I'm always getting sales, be that the item that I've actually listed or just another item altogether. It's really interesting when I don't do this, where pretty much nothing happens. Views aren't too good, but as soon as I do it, we're getting sales coming in. We're making money on an eBay store. Considering we're not actually going out and sourcing and finding more stuff, it's a pretty good result. So if you are someone like me, I would strongly suggest going into your inventory, checking things that you put up a while ago that haven't sold. The views mightn't be very good as well. Delete it, go into sell similar, fresh it up a little bit, maybe change the price, be that increase or decrease. Check the promoted listings as well. That's something that's really important. I've actually recently gone from 5% to 10%. I have seen an increase in sales, which is really good. So have a play around with promoted listings. It's very different for pretty much everyone. So have a play, work out what works for you and implement that. And I guarantee you'll be making some good money on eBay, like myself. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to leave a like. I really enjoy making these sort of videos, talking to you guys and telling you information that I've learned from eBay, be that online or just purely doing it myself. So if you do enjoy this content, yeah, be sure to like. And if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.